How to order Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can cancel Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically order Uber Eats, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is make sure to launch the Uber Eats application over here. And once you launch the Uber Eats app, you can simply browse to different foods that are available for you. So depending upon which food it is that you would like to buy, so you can just go ahead and add the plus option. You can just go ahead and view all of the special instructions and so on. Just add them to your basket. Now once you've added the food to your basket, just go to the view basket tab over here, and then from here you can simply go to the checkout button by tapping on go to checkout option. Now you can choose to add some dressings and coke and some dietaries, and then you can just tap on no or choose. Then you can choose to pay via Uber Cash, or you can choose to add a custom payment method by adding your bank, Venmo, credit, PayPal, gift card, or S3 card or something like that. Once done, your order will get successfully placed, and this is how you basically order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.